Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to write product descriptions with AI on Shopify. Let's get started. So to do that, let's head over in here to our products. And as you can see right here, I have here some products that I have. So for example, we can head over to this product that they have right here, which is the pants. So as you can see right here, I have no description for this specific product. So in order to use AI in order to make a actual description, let's click on this icon right here that can help us generate text. Now on this thing right here, you can put in here features and keywords. So for example, you can say that I can write denim pants, soft, comfortable. So you just need to use some specific adjectives in order to successfully describe your product. Make sure also that the keyword that you're using are actually ranking high, and that way you will be optimized when other people search you on Shopify. Head over and click on generate. Then once you have done that, it will show you some specific right here, like for example, this paragraph. So you can also click on the special instructions in order to add some things. Like for example, 500 generate 500 words or 300 words, please. So once you have done that, you can also head over, click on generate again if you're not satisfied with the outcome. And then from in there, it will show you some more product description. You can also change the tone. It can be supportive, persuasive, sophisticated, playful. For me, I'll just use persuasive. Click on generate again in order to get what you want. Then click on keep if you want it already. So this is what it looks like. So once you have done that, click on save and it will be saved. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below, subscribe because this has changed our people. See you soon.